Hi, folks. My name is Mario Camargo, and the name of my business is House of Home. What House of Home is, simply put, is specialized, highly specialized in home senior care. The name really came to me because I feel that this name really embodies the principles and the core values that the company would be based upon. To further exemplify what those core values are, I actually came up with what's called a three C's philosophy, which all the caretakers would really ingrain. Those three C's are culture, comfort, and customs. Those three things being the most important part of our care, I think, is what's going to set our service apart from a nursing home or any other assisted living facility or service, because it's so highly specialized and that's the focus of it. It's more than just helping someone change clothes or go to the bathroom. It's about making someone feel comfortable in their own home again, um, making their house a home again, something that they've been accustomed to for decades of their life. Being able to live that same lifestyle they've always had. Um, so that's my spiel. To get into the sexy stuff, to get into the numbers from my market research, I have to put on my glasses so I can see. It was really interesting. Um, the information I gathered from the research, I'm confident to say that it was conclusive. I reached the demographic I wanted to reach, which are the loved ones, some maybe the children, nieces, nephew of these people that I would be serving, the elderly who need help, um, which were around 45 to 54-year olds who were still working, but either nearing retirement or in really in the cusp of their career. So they're really busy, which kind of which I kind of liked because most of them, this is really interesting, were in management. The vast majority were in management. The people who took the survey. Management, then education, then construction, then protective services. And what I thought was really interesting about that is that those are all really busy people, which is exactly what I want. So I thought that was really beautiful. Um, some other numbers: 271 people took it, which was well beyond what I thought I was going to get. I really just went down my email address book, sent out the survey through an email, and kind of just asked them if they could pass it on. So I used the pay it forward method. Say, hey, after you're finished taking this really quick survey, can you let other people know about it? And so it kind of, I allowed that to do a lot of the work for me. I just leveraged other people's contacts instead of just going through all these avenues. I spent more time um, on the things I need to spend time on. Um, One of the questions that really stood out to me, that was really important to me, was asking about what would make someone's living situation the most comfortable. And kind of what I was looking for, I knew that everybody would say that people would be most comfortable living or being taken care of by friends or family. What I wasn't expecting was that I got zero responses for nursing facilities. Zero people said they would prefer to have their loved one or themselves in a nursing home. This tells me that either there's a fractured trust with nursing homes, or something is just damaged, or the idea of going towards specialized care is really attractive. A few of the most important things that people saw or wanted was competence in their caretaker. Um, I was looking just for validation on that. Competence and qualifications are the most important, and then the next most important we're going is personality, personability, and just being able to get along with their loved ones. So I thought that was really interesting to look at that information. I think it was really helpful to me to really hone in on what I think I need to do going forward with this. So thank you guys for listening, watching. I know I'm a little over the limit, a lot over the limit. Hope I don't get dinged for that, but thanks again.